As of yesterday, the province had just over 10,000 active cases. Hospitalizations have increased rapidly in the Garden Route, confirming a resurgence of the pandemic with higher figures than the first wave of infections. Premier of the Western Cape, Alan Winde, says however that level 1 lockdown measures are sufficient. But, he says, they will only remain so if people adapt to the new normal.
Let's work together in making sure that the next 30 days we flatten this curve, we all know what to do, and let's not spend all of our time policing our way out of this. However, we will make sure that law enforcement is there. That is where people are not able to follow those golden rules. We will definitely have to come down on you very hard. I have asked the President that we need to have a look at consequences of not wearing your mask.
The Provincial Department of Health says it has sufficient capacity and will escalate its response if needs be. Great concern has been expressed for healthcare workers that have had a hellish year.
Losing colleagues to COVID, many becoming infected, having to isolate, having to worry about their families, and now at the eve of the festive season, having to start up again to say we need to respond again as the increased infections start influencing the healthcare system. Therefore, we need to safeguard our healthcare workers and really safeguard their families.
Officials say wearing masks and social distancing are still crucial. The possibility of a vaccine for South Africa is also on the cards.
We foresee that in the next 2 to 3 months, there will be so much more clarity of a practical schedule of when the vaccines will be available, what the logistics is. Just to give people an assurance, we do vaccinations. We have a cold chain. We're even going to have a facility in PE that will be one of the production facilities. So within the next 3 months, it will become much clearer what the details of those logistics would be.
The public is encouraged to make smart decisions, avoid indoor activities, large crowds, and to spend more time outdoors. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.